geocycle. We have traffic signals here. We have festivals of India.
That means baby.
Hi.
Classroom bond.
Good morning, madam. My name is John. My name is Savatika.
Bye.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
So here we have kidneys working. Jump demonstration. So automatically. So this is the complete medical setup. So here we have different types of houses. Newton's So here we have different types of So here we have rain protected washing cloth. Shall I put to that side or this? So this is rain protected washing cloth. So whenever it will rain, automatically this will turn. This is different types of shape. Oval, rectangle, circle, square, triangle, circle. Comprehensive. You show it. This is Newton's cradle. This is Newton's cradle. So we have it. So with which force we pull it up? The same force.
Shoulder, stomach, hand, foot, head, eye, mouth, chest, elbow, arm, knee, fingers, toes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. So the force of magnetic solar system. The water level indicator. మనకు automatically as per our water level, it will give a if it's 50% full, the indication will be the light, and if it's 100% full, it will give a buzzer.
Okay.
Study.
order. Okay, thank you. Explain loudly. Getting it.
Welcome to my school. This picture. New Kalpis. Very good. Thank you everyone. My name is Ravina. I'm studying in Delhi. I'll continue vegetable style. Instead of potato, egg, fruit and vegetable. Thank you.
Come.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Kalpis. I'm studying in Delhi. This is carrot. This is carrot. Carrot is a healthy vegetable. Thank you. Have a nice
Good.
Explain.
Please explain, Amma.
Good morning, sir. Nice to meet you. Myself, Suvarna from 9th standard. Today, I'm excited to share my project on the electric generator. An electric generator is a device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. It works on the principle of electromagnetic induction, where a rotating coil spins rotor within a magnetic field induces an electric current. Electric generators are introduced by Michael Faraday in 1831. Let me demonstrate. When I spin this disc, it rotates a coil of wire inside the magnetic field. This creates an electric current in the wire, which then goes to the bulb and lights it up. Essentially, the motion of the disc is converted into electricity. Now I will show you that how it works. Like little spark condenser. Small spark like
A small flicker like it's coming.
Okay.
Back. Okay. Done.
this is all about my project, sir. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.
So everything has been done. Next, this is height. Explain your project. So now, if they are going to listen, if we place anything, it will get pressed. So that is nothing but the hydraulic press working. Show your project, Karthikeya. Explain.
Nice to see you all again. This pleasure. My name is Karthikeya. My project name is Elizabeth. Zero plus 5 plus 5.
Okay. Explain your project.
Good morning, sir. Nice to meet you. He is Vivek from class 9. I am Lokman from class 9. Today we are here to explain about our project. Our project's name is Smart Dustbin. In traditional dustbin is required to touch and open. But this dustbin, which is made up of future technology, doesn't need any touch. It's automatically open.
Good.
We are going to show the wings. We are going to present. So this is articles project. So we have natural fibers and synthetic fibers here. So it shows different types of cloth like velvet, raw silk, polyester, spandex, denim, net cloth, etc. And we have automatic water level indicator, a similar kind of project which you have seen. And this is Ottulu Padalu. So this is different kinds of landforms. This is means of communication. And this is algebraic formula. So now if we are going to match the correct formula, so the light is going to shine. Can you show your demonstration? Example, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2a. Then switch it on. It's not working. Because of the sun we are not doing this. And this is arrangement of different types of teeth. Example, we have molars, premolars, canines, incisors. So like this, we can show the clear demonstration. This is air pollution, water pollution. Can you This is anti-gravity reflection. So generally, as the gravitational force pulls us downwards, but here because of things we get from plants and millets and the digestive system, and we have the physical map of India. Like we have West Coast, East Coast of India, the Deccan Plateau, the Central Highlands, the Northern Plains, Northern Himalayas, Eastern Himalayas, and the islands. This is division factor. Can you explain your graph? Explain.
Good morning, sir. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Mahidar. I am studying 4th standard. Coming to my project name is division activity. Let's find what is 9 divided by 2. Divided is 9. That's why I am taking 9 stars. Distribute 2 stars in each cup. Just I have 1 star remaining, so reminder is 1. There are 4 cups of filled. The portion is
Very.
Good, very.
This is human heart. Here we have so this is deoxygenated blood, this is oxygenated blood. So this is just the demonstration of small and big. Small foot, big foot, small bucket, big bucket. And this is applications of trigonometry. So example, here if you check, can you show you? So here, the base is 45 centimeters. It is having an angle of 45 degrees. So we will have the remaining side to be 40. We can find the tower of the height of the tower. And as you know, our money and distance is
My name is Kushi. I am studying in 5th standard. We are here to explain our project. Our project is our money and places on it. This is 20 rupees note on 20 rupees note we can see. In our accounts in Maharashtra. This is 50 rupees note. On 50 rupees note we can see Hampi in Karnataka. This is 100 rupees note. On 100 rupees note we can see Rani Ki Vav in Gujarat. This is 200 rupees note. On 200 rupees note we can see Shanti Stupa in Madhya Pradesh. This is 500 rupees note. On 500 rupees note we can see Red Fort in New Delhi. This is all.
well. So this is dam working now. Is it working? Demonstrate. It's okay. So this is the high level area. So this is the low level area. So high level area to low level area.
Okay.
Sure. So it's a dam working now.
Good morning, sir. Nice to see you. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Vasil. I am from class 6. I am here to explain about my project. My project name is Solar Water Heater. My project works on sunlight. When sunlight falls on the panels, processes. From the underground, water comes to the normal water tank and passes to water boils and passes to hot water tank. This is the process of solar water heater. This is all about my project. Thank you for listening to me. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Nice to see you.
This is it. Switch it off. This is varnish. We have different types of leaves.
Explain, please.
Good morning, sir. My name is
Loud.
Diksha. I am
Hello.
from class 1. Today my project on types of leaves. These are different leaves. Mango leaf, guava leaf, hibiscus leaf, curry leaf, bitter leaf, rose leaf, pepper leaf, neem leaf. Thanks, sir.
Community helpers. Can you explain?
Good morning, sir. My name is Diksha. I am in class 3. Today I am explaining community helpers. Many people help us to in our daily life. It would be difficult for us to be our task. Doctor is sick people, doctor working in hospital. A teacher teaching, teacher working in school. Postman deliver, postman working, post office. station. Without every machine, treat them respect. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Types of computer. We have parts of the plan. Can you explain, Samantha? Okay. Okay. Next we have national, the three branches of government: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Next we have seasons of India. We have traditions.
Good morning, sir. Nice to meet you. I would like to introduce myself. Myself, Farzana from 9th standard. Today I am going to explain about hemodialysis. Hemodialysis is a process that is used when the kidneys will not work properly. Now, through my project, I will explain how this works. Impure blood from the body is taken through the arterial line. It enters through the arterial pressure monitor, which checks the pressure. It is a blood pump. Heparin is a medicine which prevents the clotting of the blood. Dialyzer inflow pressure monitor checks the pressure of the blood before it enters into the dialyzer. In the dialyzer, there is a special filter which removes the waste materials. Venous pressure monitor checks the pressure of the blood before the blood enters into the body. Air trap and air detector removes air bubbles. Air detector clamp automatically stops the blood flow if it absorbs air. Filtered blood enters into the body through venous line. Thank you, sir. Hope you enjoy my presentation.
This is ascending order and descending order.
Good morning, sir. Nice to meet you. My name is Hiranya Sainandri. I am from class 3. Today we explain about ascending order and descending order. Ascending order is small to big, descending order is big to small. Thank you very much.
Good morning, sir. Nice to meet you. My name is Ramjan. I'm studying 8th standard in Civil Engineering School. Today I explain pyrolysis. Pyrolysis is a chemical process where organic materials like plastic wood, biomass or rubbers are decomposed at the high temperature of the absence of the oxygen. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Nice to meet you. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Mahendra from class 6. I am here to explain about my project. The name of my project is Transient OPAC. Transient the object which allow light to pass freely through them and through which objects can be seen clearly, that is called transient. Example: transition the object which allow light to pass partially, that is called translucent. Example: opaque the object which allow light to pass, do not pass light to.
Good morning, sir. Nice to meet you. Her name is Nandini. My name is Monica. We both are from 9th standard. We are very happy to present this project today. This is digestive system working model.
Human digestive system is a muscular chemical process system that breaks down the food into simple nutrients, fats, and minerals.
This is hydraulic crane.
Good morning, sir. Nice to see you. Let me introduce myself to you. Myself, Ishka from 7th standard. My project name is hydraulic crane. Here we can see when we press the syringe, the fluid force increases here and the crane arm will lift the object. And when we pull it, the pressure decreases in the system and the crane arm will come down due to the gravitational force of the weight of the object. These cranes are used for lifting of heavy objects and appliances. Thank you for listening to me. Good morning, sir. Nice to meet you. Let us introduce ourselves to you. She is Tulsi Kumari from class 5 and I am Pusta from class 5. We are here to explain our project. The name of our project is Disease Causing Germs. This is virus, viral diseases, influenza fever, HIV or AIDS, COVID-19, dengue fever. This is amoeba, amoebic diseases, amoebic dysentery, amoebic meningitis. This is bacteria, bacterial diseases, tuberculosis, short form TB, typhoid fever, cholera. These are bread mousens, paragyra. It doesn't cause any type of disease. This is all about our project. Thank you for listening to us. Have a great day. Good morning, sir. Nice to see you. Let me introduce ourselves. She is Divya Sarkar from class 5 and I am Josh Napriyanga from class 5. Today we are here to explain about our project. The name of our project is Color Behind Germs. Synthetic dyes are often associated with behavioral changes particularly hyperactivity in children, doses potential cancer risk. Red color is used in candies and sodas. It causes hyperactivity and potential risk in children. Red color is used in color spices. This color is toxic to liver, causes kidney damage. Yellow color is used in processed food. It causes allergic reactions and asthma. Blue color is used in cancer. It causes motion and behavior issues. This is all about our project. Thank you for listening.
Good morning, sir. Nice to meet you. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Srivoshina. I am from class 8. I am here to tell about my project. My project name is molecular arrangement. This is the structure of sulfuric acid, and the chemical formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. H2SO4. There is a nickname for sulfuric acid, oily vitriol. This is nitric acid. Chemical formula of nitric acid is HNO3. The nickname of nitric acid is aquaforcit. This is the structure of nitric acid. This is potassium permanganate. The chemical formula of potassium permanganate is KMnO4. The nickname of potassium permanganate is purple crystal. This is the structure of potassium permanganate. This is glucose. The chemical formula of glucose is C6H12O6. The nickname of glucose is tetroxine. This is the structure of glucose. This is polyester. The chemical formula of polyester is C10H8O4. The nickname of polyester is PET. The name of PET is polyester tetraxine. Thanks for listening.
ఓకే మేడం.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను వికాష, అకాడమిక్ డీన్ ఆఫ్ శ్రీ వివేకానంద ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ సామలకోట బ్రాంచ్ నుంచి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. సో మనకి 2009లో బ్రాంచ్ స్థాపించడం జరిగింది. ఇది 2026 అంటే 17 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి మనం సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా రన్ చేస్తున్నాము. అంతేకాకుండా మనకి అకాడమిక్ సైన్స్ ఫేర్ కండక్ట్ చేశాము 30th Jan 2026, 31st Jan 2026. సో నేను మీ అందరికీ సంతోషంగా తెలియజేస్తుంది ఏంటంటే మొత్తం 150 ప్రాజెక్టులు పిల్లలు చేశారు. అంటే అది ఒకరోజు కష్టం కాదు. పేరెంట్స్, మా టీచర్స్ వీళ్ళందరి కృషి లేకపోతే ఇది అసలు సాధ్యమయ్యేది కాదు. సో మేము ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ ఇలానే సైన్స్ ఫేర్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తాము. ముందరి సంవత్సరంతో పోలిస్తే నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్కి రెట్టింపు ఉత్సాహంతో ఇంకా ఎక్కువ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్, లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ మేము 70 ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ డిస్ప్లే చేయడం జరిగింది. అలాంటిది ఈ ఇయర్ 150 ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ డిస్ప్లే చేశాము. అది కూడా ఏంటంటే నార్మల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ కాదు, వర్కింగ్ మోడల్స్. లైక్ మనకి ఇప్పుడు బయట ఎక్కువ కిడ్నీ సమస్యలు వచ్చి హెమోడయాలసిస్ జరుగుతుంది అందరికీ. సో డయాలసిస్ వర్కింగ్ మోడల్. నెక్స్ట్ మనకి ఇప్పుడు టెక్నాలజీ ఇంప్రూవ్ అవ్వడం కోసం మనం రకరకాల అప్లయన్సెస్ వాడుతున్నాము. సో స్మార్ట్ టెస్ట్ బిన్ అని, అంతేకాకుండా డైజెస్టివ్ సిస్టమ్ వర్కింగ్ మోడల్, హ్యూమన్ బ్రెయిన్ వర్కింగ్ మోడల్. అండ్ ఇంతే కాకుండా చాలామంది ఏం చేస్తారంటే చిన్నపిల్లలకి కండక్ట్ చేస్తారు సైన్స్ ఫేర్ అంటే. మేము అలా కాకుండా ఎల్కేజీ పిల్లల నుంచి మేము ట్రైన్ చేసుకుంటూ వాళ్ళకి ఏంటంటే ఇప్పటి నుంచే మనం స్టేజ్ ఫియర్ అనేది పోగొట్టి వాళ్ళకి అలా మెల్లిగా ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చుకుంటున్నాము. సో ఎల్కేజీ పిల్లలకి ఫ్యాన్సీ డ్రెస్సులతో స్టార్ట్ చేసాము. సో ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళకి హెల్తీ ఫుడ్, జంక్ ఫుడ్ యొక్క డిఫరెన్సెస్. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు చాలామంది పిల్లలకి జంక్ ఫుడ్ చాలా ఈజీగా తినేస్తున్నారు. బిస్కెట్స్ అంటే మైదా అని చెప్పి, బయట పామ్ ఆయిల్స్ వాడుతున్నారని, ఇలాంటి బేసిక్ అవగాహన లేదు. సో ఇలాంటి అవగాహన వాళ్ళకి సృష్టించడం కోసం, వాళ్ళకి కల్పించడం కోసం మనం హెల్దీ ఫుడ్, జంక్ ఫుడ్ యొక్క డిఫరెన్సెస్, ఇప్పుడు పిజ్జాస్, బర్గర్స్ ఇవన్నీ తింటే ఏమవుతుంది, అదే మన పూర్వం మనం పెద్దలు తినేవారు చూడండి, మిల్లెట్స్, నవధాన్యాలు అనేవారు. ఇలాంటివి తింటే ఎలాంటి మంచి ఆరోగ్యం వస్తుంది మనకి అనేది, ఇలాంటి అవగాహన అంతా కల్పించడం జరిగింది. అంతేకాకుండా పిల్లలు చాలా మంచి ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ చేశారు. అంటే మనం వాళ్ళకి ఛాన్స్ ఇవ్వాలే కానీ వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళ క్రియేటివిటీ కానీ, క్యూరియాసిటీ కానీ అంతా పెట్టి, వాళ్ళ ప్రాణం పెట్టి వాళ్ళు ప్రాజెక్ట్ చూపిస్తారు. చాలా అద్భుతంగా చేశారు. అంతేకాకుండా మనకి న్యాచురల్ ఫైబర్స్, సింథటిక్ ఫైబర్స్, ఇప్పుడు డెనిమ్ క్లాత్, వెల్వెట్ క్లాత్, ఇలాంటి డిఫరెన్సెస్ అన్నీ కూడా చాలా బాగా చూపించారు. అంతేకాకుండా ఇప్పుడు మనకి మన ఆంధ్ర అయితేనో లేకపోతే ఇండియా అయితేనో మనకి స్పేస్ రంగంలో చాలా ముందుకు దూసుకెళ్తుంది. సో దానికి ఇదిగా స్పేస్ స్టేషన్ అని, జియో శాటిలైట్స్, అంతేకాకుండా డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ మూన్, క్రెసెంట్ మూన్ అని చెప్పి ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ మూన్ కానీ, లేకపోతే రెయిన్ ప్రొటెక్టెడ్ వాషింగ్ క్లాత్. అంటే మనకి ఏంటంటే వర్షం పడినప్పుడు ఒక్కొక్కసారి మనం ఇంట్లో ఉండకపోవచ్చు. సో వెంటనే వర్షం పడిన వెంటనే మనకు ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనకి క్లోజ్ అయిపోయేలాగా రెయిన్ ప్రొటెక్టెడ్ వాషింగ్ క్లాత్, ఇలాంటి అద్భుతమైన ప్రాజెక్ట్స్తో అందరూ చాలా ముందుకొచ్చారు. సో ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ ఇంకా రెట్టింపు ఉత్సాహంతో మేము చేస్తాము. ఇంకా పిల్లల్ని అన్ని రంగాల్లోని పై తీసుకొస్తాము. అంటే వాళ్ళకి హ్యాండ్స్ ఆన్ లెర్నింగ్ కల్పించాలి. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఎడ్యుకేషనే కాకుండా ఆ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో వాళ్ళకి ఏదైతే నేర్చుకున్నారో అదంతా వాళ్ళు హ్యాండ్స్ ఆన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వచ్చేలాగా ప్రతి ప్రాజెక్ట్ అదే దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని చేయించడం జరిగింది. సో ఇంకా గోయింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ మీ అందరి సపోర్ట్తోని, మీడియా మిత్రుల సపోర్ట్తోని, ఎడ్యుకేషన్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్, మా టీచర్స్, మా పేరెంట్స్, మా స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరి సపోర్ట్తోని నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ ఇంకా అద్భుతంగా ఘనంగా చేస్తాం అని చెప్పి థ్యాంక్ యూ.